Toenail fungus, a common condition caused by fungal infections, often manifests as discolored, thickened, or brittle nails, sometimes accompanied by discomfort. It's crucial to address toenail fungus promptly, as untreated cases can lead to more severe complications and persistent issues. In this video, we will explore various natural remedies that may help alleviate the symptoms and promote healthier nails. Viewers can expect practical tips and insights into effective treatments that harness the power of nature for toenail fungus relief. Toenail fungus thrives in warm, moist environments, making factors like poor foot hygiene, tight footwear, and exposure to communal areas, such as swimming pools, significant contributors to its growth. If left untreated, toenail fungus can lead to painful infections, permanent nail damage, and even spread to other nails or skin. Therefore, it's essential to address toenail fungus promptly to prevent complications and ensure overall foot health, as early intervention can significantly improve outcomes and restore nail appearance. Apple cider vinegar possesses natural antifungal properties that can help combat toenail fungus effectively. To use it, start by mixing equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. Soak your affected foot for 30 minutes daily, ensuring the vinegar solution covers the entire nail. After soaking, dry your foot thoroughly. For optimal results, consistency is key. Make this treatment a part of your daily routine to promote healing and restore healthy nails over time. Tea tree oil is renowned for its powerful germ-fighting properties, making it an effective natural remedy for toenail fungus. To use it, apply a few drops of pure tea tree oil directly onto the affected nail using a cotton swab, ensuring it penetrates the nail bed. Allow it to dry completely. For optimal healing, repeat this process twice daily. Consistent application can significantly enhance results, helping to eliminate the fungus and promote healthier nails over time. Baking soda is an effective remedy for toenail fungus, known for its ability to neutralize odors and combat fungal growth. To create a baking soda foot soak, mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 30 minutes. After soaking, it's crucial to thoroughly dry your feet, especially between the toes, as moisture can promote further fungal growth. Regular use of this soak can help improve nail health and reduce symptoms. White vinegar is effective in treating toenail fungus due to its acidic properties, which help combat fungal infections. To create a vinegar soak, mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Soak your affected foot for 30 minutes daily, ensuring the solution covers the entire nail. If you experience any skin irritation, consider adjusting the mixture by adding more water to dilute the vinegar. Consistent use can promote healthier nails and reduce fungal symptoms over time. Oil of oregano is known for its potent antimicrobial properties, making it an effective treatment for toenail fungus. To apply it, mix a few drops of oil of oregano with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, to prevent skin irritation. Use a cotton swab to apply the mixture directly to the affected nail and surrounding skin. For best results, repeat this application twice daily for at least 4 to 6 weeks, as consistent use is key to achieving noticeable improvements. Listerine can be a surprising yet effective treatment for toenail fungus, primarily due to its alcohol content, which helps kill fungi and prevent their spread. To use Listerine, simply pour enough of the mouthwash into a basin to fully submerge your affected foot and soak for 30 minutes. For optimal results, incorporate this treatment into your routine several times a week. Regular use can significantly improve nail health and help eliminate stubborn fungal infections over time. Garlic is renowned for its antifungal properties, making it a valuable remedy for toenail fungus. To use garlic effectively, you can create garlic oil. Simply crush a few cloves of garlic and mix them with a carrier oil, such as olive oil, letting the mixture sit for a few hours to infuse. Apply the garlic oil directly to the affected nail daily for best results. Consistent application can help combat the fungus and promote healthier nails over time. Consistent treatment is crucial when addressing toenail fungus, as it often requires 1 to 2 months of dedicated care to see significant improvement. Encourage viewers to stick with their chosen remedies, as persistence can lead to successful outcomes and healthier nails. Additionally, maintaining a regular treatment routine not only aids in recovery, but also plays a vital role in preventing future infections. By staying committed, viewers can ensure long-lasting results and protect their feet from recurring fungal issues. In summary, we've explored several natural remedies for toenail fungus, including apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, baking soda, white vinegar, oil of oregano, and Listerine. Each of these treatments offers unique benefits to combat fungal infections effectively. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our related videos on the channel for additional tips and remedies to maintain healthy nails and feet.